In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm applying polyurethane on the closet that I'm building in my basement. For this, I'm using 3/4 inch maple plywood. And the first thing I'm going to do, obviously I've cut the plywood down to the size I want. And I'm going to take 180 grit sandpaper in my orbital sander and just sand down both sides on all the surfaces that I want to apply the polyurethane to. Now, I'm not doing the edges in this because I'm going to cover the edges. I'm just doing the flat surfaces. It's also crucially important to wipe off things like sawdust, or once you start sanding the polyurethane, you also need to get off the polyurethane dust. Otherwise, it's going to look hazy, or you're going to capture the sawdust within the polyurethane. I'm using a Minwax polyurethane product, and one of the things it says on the can is not to shake it. Now, I don't know what will happen if you really shake it, but I am going to follow the instructions on this one. And for application, I usually just use a foam brush on these, and obviously I use the biggest one that'll fit in the can to make sure that I get through this fairly quickly. What I find is the first coat never looks that great. The first coat's always pretty rough. It never looks terrible, but I do find that the first coat comes out not the greatest. It's definitely not as smooth as you'd want it for putting your clothes and stuff on. Generally speaking, I let the polyurethane dry for 24 hours. Obviously, I have to do both sides, so I'll do one side, wait 3 or 4 hours, do the other side, wait 3 or 4 hours, usually go to bed, and then wake up and sand it. So my first sanding on this is going to be 220 grit, and I don't sand it very much. I make about 2 passes and not putting any pressure on the board. And then once that's done, as I already noted, I wipe off all the polyurethane dust so that it doesn't get picked up into the new polyurethane. Once it's wiped down, I do apply another coat of polyurethane, and again let that dry for about 24 hours. I might not have mentioned it. Definitely throughout this process, you do want to wear a dust mask, especially on the polyurethane. You don't want to breathe in that dust. For the final polyurethane sanding, I use a 320 grit, and really after the 220 grit, it's pretty smooth, but I find doing one more sanding with the 320 grit will really help to smooth out the surface that you're working with. And then last coat on here is same deal as before. Take your polyurethane and just paint it on one more time. One thing to note, when you're doing this, you want to work fairly quickly. If the polyurethane starts drying and you hit it with your brush, it's going to get sticky and it's not going to look as good. So make sure you work quickly when you're putting down the polyurethane, especially the fast drying polyurethane. And this is how all the boards came out. Like I said, I did do both sides, but just for the expedience of this video, I didn't film me doing both sides. And as mentioned, I didn't do the edges because I'm going to cover the edges up with a solid maple board. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.